on that last programming video, did you see how many times in a row I yawned? That's really, really the shameful thing. So what causes that? Have I got a bad thyroid? Nah, it's just crummy magic. It's a sleeping spell. But I can't tell my psychiatrist or they'll end up jacking me full of drugs and locking me up. So you can see, a lot of the time I can't be bothered to code because I'm just too busy yawning. But I'll get to it. Alright, at 11 o'clock, I'll give you 2 hours and you got to do it. So just look at that last programming video and see how many times I yawned in a row. And just think, he's just got to be putting it on.